Hi friends, today we'll discuss about yield. What is yield? Yield is earning on a investment over a particular period of time. So total earnings on a deposit amount or investment, you have deposited 1 lakh rupees for 6 years, 5 years, 10 years. What is this total earnings? So what is difference between return versus yield or rate of interest versus yield? For example, you have invested 1 lakh rupees in a bank deposit and you are getting 6.6% per annum, means 6,600 rupees yearly you are getting. That is your return, your rate of interest. What is the yield? If you have invested same for 5 years or 10 years or 3 years and you are not taken the interest out, so what is the total income return on the investment? So this is called yield. So I have taken a scenario where deposit investment is 1 lakh rupees and period is 3 years and the rate of interest per annum is 6.6%. Interest payment is yearly. So in this scenario, if somebody asks me what is the return, I'll say 6.6%. Our rate of interest is 6.6%. So if somebody asks what is the return or rate of interest, I'll say 6.6%. If they ask you yield, then many people may does not know what is yield. So today I'll show you what is rate of interest and what is yield. So in my example, I have taken 1 lakh rupees and 6.6%. So first year I am getting 6,600. Second year I am getting 7,035 rupees. Third year I am getting 7,499 rupees because I have not taken interest out from my account. So total interest I got it for the last 3 years is 21,135 rupees. But somebody asked me like what is your rate of interest? 6.6% only. But total interest I got 21,000 rupees for the 3 years. So 3 years means every year I got around 7,045 rupees. So if I want to convert it into percentage, because it is in lakhs, I want to take it into hundreds. So by 1000, then I'll get the yield 7.05. So 3 years 6.6% return. So what is the yield? 7.05%. This is the yield. Yield will be total income on your investment. This will be changed from 5 years, it will be different from 10 years. So this yield will be changing depend on the interest payment. If it is quarterly interest, then your yield will be different. If it is yearly, it will be different. So this calculation you can use it for the calculation of yield. Scenario 2, I have taken a yield for a bond. So bond current rate is 1,100 rupees. Actually face value is 1,000 rupees only. Period is 3 years. Rate of interest is same thing like 6.6% per annum. Interest payment yearly. So now we'll calculate yield for this scenario. So in this scenario, 1,000 rupees, first year I got it 6 rupees, then 70 rupees, 75 rupees. Total I got it 1,211 rupees. But my investment is 1,100 because I bought it for 1,100 rupees. So I got 3 years interest is 111. So if I divide by 3 years, because my face value is 1,000 rupees, because I am getting the interest rate or coupon rate written on my face value, but I have invested at 1,100. If you divide 3 years interest multiplied with 1,000 and divided by 1,100, so my yield is 3.36. In my previous scenario, my rate of interest is 6.6%, but my yield is 7.05%. But here my rate of interest, my return is 6.6%, but my yield is 3.36% only. So how to calculate yield for a deposit for a bond? So I clearly mentioned in my example. So this video is prepared with blessings of Sri Nrsimha Bharati Swami, Peethadipati, Sri Pushpagiri Sharada Lakshmi Narasimha Peetamu. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.